Filipino affirmative and negative sentences. For the English sentence, we will eat at the restaurant later tonight. We will eat at the restaurant later tonight. For our affirmative sentences, we have the following. The first one is, kakain kami sa restaurant mamayang gabi. Kakain is like we'll eat, kami is we, restaurant is restaurant. You can also say restaurant. Restaurant or restaurant is also okay. Mamaya is later and then gabi is evening. So mamayang gabi is later in the evening or later this evening. Kakain kami sa restaurant mamayang gabi. Or you can also say, kakain kami sa restaurant mamayang gabi. Mamayang gabi, kakain kami sa restaurant. So mamayang gabi, this evening, we will eat at a restaurant. Mamayang gabi, kakain kami sa restaurant. Kami ay kakain sa restaurant mamayang gabi. Kami ay kakain sa restaurant mamayang gabi. You can also say for the negative sentences, the first one is, hindi kami kakain sa restaurant mamayang gabi. Hindi kami kakain sa restaurant mamayang gabi. It means we will not eat at the restaurant later tonight. Mamayang gabi, hindi kami kakain sa restaurant. Mamayang gabi, hindi kami kakain sa restaurant. So, later tonight, we will not eat at the restaurant. Kami ay hindi kakain sa restaurant mamayang gabi. Kami ay hindi kakain sa restaurant mamayang gabi. And that is our Filipino affirmative and negative sentences. For the English sentence, we will eat at the restaurant later tonight.